YouTube. Meredith Moore here at Wonder Fair in Lawrence, Kansas with a very special miniature edition of our unboxing video series. Every now and then, during this special time of year, one of our pin vendors starts to send us one at a time our back-ordered fancy pins. We don't know why they do it this way, but this box likely contains approximately one very small but very special item. So we're going to open it. It's so cute and tiny. Let's do it together. Small blades for a small package. What will be inside? I honestly don't even remember. We have so many back orders all the time. Okay. Well, this bodes well. Mainly air. I'd say 98% air in this box. And oh my, how exciting. Yes, indeed, this box contains 5 Lamy broad nibs. Fantastic. Shall we open those too? Excellent. Let's get in there. Let's really go all the way with this one. Yep. It's 5 nibs. These definitely cost more to ship than we will make back on them. But that's fine. That's no problem. Let's add some value to this tiny box package. It's holiday time, so let's do a craft project. That's right, this unboxing video just became a craft video. Get stoked. Here's what you're going to need from home. A box. All of the packing material that came inside the box. Don't forget your styrofoam square. Any permanent marker that you prefer. I like Permapakes, but a broad-nibbed, maybe like an Indian brush pin would work well too. You may need scissors or your opening blade. Other packing material from previous unboxing videos. Who remembers this one? I saved it, like I said I would. And today we'll use it to make a gingerbread house. So here's what we're going to do. This already has the look of like a smaller row house, but you can decide if you want to go with a house with eaves or maybe a sort of brownstone sort of effect. I think I'm gonna go with a traditional house with a sloped roof. So we're just gonna need to, let's see, you're gonna need to ask your assistant to go get you some tape, packing tape preferably, while you begin cutting your windows. All right, I'm thinking this house only has one entrance and it's a slide door that starts halfway up the wall and can only be opened by a rope, which then becomes a ramp, sort of like a ship. So it's a traditional home you'll find here in the Midwest. If you haven't visited, we recommend you come to Lawrence. Most of our houses are built like this. And that's to keep all the possums out. So possums can't climb ramps. Don't know if you were aware of that fact. All right, so get your ramp door. That's good there. Gonna jump that first foot, but that's fine. Okay, good. All right, you're not gonna want any windows because of the possums, so just don't even bother. But maybe put your foam square right inside so when you jump down from the ramp entry, no one gets hurt. Great. And all right, now we're gonna want to get the tape here. You're gonna want to attach your flotation device to the bottom of the home in case of floods. And that will save on your insurance. So that's an important part of your gingerbread house. Also, gingerbread is not very water safe. So you'll want to just keep it above the flood line with a little flotation device. All right, and let's see, we're gonna need to roll this into our chimney. Excellent, maybe just stick that right in there. That's so Santa can come inside. and he needs a place to stay, and you've been renting your gingerbread house on Airbnb, but you're not home. So you're gonna need to leave him your key to the chimney, and he'll just come right inside there, and hopefully he'll leave you a great review, and that'll really help you game the algorithm when people are searching for a gingerbread house to stay in wherever you live. So, okay, that looks pretty good. Maybe we'll now put a little sign out with our packing label here for rent. Oh, wow, that ink does not sit on that label, but just trust me. There we go. See a lot of those. We're in a college town, lots of for rent signs right now as students switch into the new semester and maybe decide that school's not for them. All right, let's do our last piece. We've got a second. This could have been a flotation device, really, but it's been so carefully packed. So I think instead we'll use this as just a little festive snow to finish the scene. All right, and maybe we'll just run a little Christmas music over this, and we're gonna be all set. Merry Christmas, everybody! Happy holidays from Wonder Fair! Like and subscribe.